Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back. Okay, so what is this McDonald's favorite that I'm putting a twist on? It's a McSausage, McEgg, McMuffin with McCheese and an order of McHash browns.
That's not how you order it,
Yeah, I know. Well, I'm McHungry, so let's say we commence the cooking. Start out with the hash browns. Get some butter on there. Alright, throw them on. No big sizzle there, but little sizzle. You know how obsessed I am with that sizzle. Okay, now that's about half done on the first side, so I'm going to get the sausage on. Oh yeah. That's some good sausage too. Forget what brand it is, but it's really good. Okay, I'm guessing things are about ready to flip, so I'm get some more butter down for the other side of the hash browns. Give them a flip. Oh yeah. That was looking good. Good. Oh yeah. Okay, everything's looking good so far. Okay, I'm thinking everything's pretty much done, so I'm gonna cook my egg. I'll get these moved over to the side. While I'm cooking my egg, let's see what those look like. Oh yeah. Okay, now for the first time, I'm going to use one of these egg rings. So, like I said, first time, see how it works. Enough oil there. And I actually broke the egg into this because I didn't want to I didn't know what it would be like pouring into this. So here we go. Turn it down just a little. That's okay if it's offset like that because I'm going to break it so it spreads through the whole thing. Otherwise, I like it. A little bit leaks out, but that's to be expected, I guess. So yeah, I want to get this yolk spread out throughout the whole egg. That's looking pretty good. Okay, here's this week's stupid story. Don't worry, it's a short one. Okay, speaking of McDonald's, you know, the Big Mac came out sometime in the late 1960s. I was still in high school. Whoa, I've been around for a long time. So anyways, we'd go up there at lunchtime, and I'd order a Big Mac, fries, and a Coke, and it cost 94 cents. Yeah, you'd get change back from $1. So yeah, you're probably thinking, whoa, was that cheap? But the minimum wage at that time was $1 an hour. So that meal cost just under what minimum wage per hour was. Well, today here in Florida, the minimum wage is 13 bucks an hour, and that same meal now is anywhere around 11 or 12 bucks. Pretty much the same amount under the minimum wage now. So in reality, it's same as it ever was. Okay, let's see what happens when you take this off. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I'm going to use these more often. Let's get that flipped now. Okay, now I'm going to start putting my cheese on my sausage. And I'm using 2 pieces of cheese, but that's not the twist to the sandwich. That's just me liking a little more cheese. And I'm using a crescent roll for this instead of an English muffin. But that's not the twist either, so hold on, it's coming up. Okay, I'm saying that's about done. Okay, let's build this thing. That cheese isn't melted yet, but when I put all this stuff on it, it'll melt it. Okay, so I got my sausage and my cheese. I'm going to cover that with the egg. Now, here comes the McTwist. I'm going to put my hash browns on the egg. Okay, that's the twist in this sausage egg McMuffin with cheese and a side order of hash browns, which aren't a side order anymore. They're part of the sandwich. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Let's get it over there. I'll cut it in half, see what it looks like, and commence to eating it. Okay, let's cut this in 2 and see what she looks like. Like I said, I don't taste it for you because you know, it doesn't mean anything. What if it's bad? Am I going to say it's bad? No, I'm going to say, oh, that was really good. So you know by looking at it and what it is whether you're going to like it or not. And I think that looks really good. I can't wait to eat it. Let's see here. Well, that was really good and easy to eat, which brings me to the reason I did it in the first place. You know, I can't tell you how many times I tried eating the McMuffin and hash browns while I'm driving. You know, it's a real hassle putting one down to take a bite of the other one and then back and forth over and over again. Hence, I came up with an obvious fix. Just combine 2 separate handheld items into one. Well, that's about it. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and please like and subscribe. See you next time.